In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the album challenge on Instagram. I'm going to show you how you can make a picture and then share this on Instagram, and it's actually very simple. So you want to go to billclintonswag.com. So that's billclintonswag.com, and you can then search for an album. So you can click right there, and you can then start adding your favorite album. So I'm just going to enter some random albums. There we go. I'm just going to click on a few so that we can do this quick. There you go. You can then add your albums, whatever they are. Then click on Generate Swag at the bottom corner. And then right there you'll get the picture. You can then simply screenshot that. Oh, let me do that again. There you go. You can then use that screenshot to post on your Instagram stories. So you can then go to Instagram. So let's see if I'm signed in. Probably not. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to sign in real quick. You can then click on your story and then swipe up, and then you can see it right there. You can then zoom in, or you can even crop the picture. That's probably what you're going to do first. So go to your gallery and then probably crop that, and then you can share it. So let's see how I can do that. There we go. Then crop it just like that. And there you go. You can then save that, and then you can post it on your Instagram stories. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. So there you go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it works, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.